Hi friends, welcome. So Sunday, I was little bit free, so came online because one or two important announcements to make. So I came online. Let others join also. Please, I will be okay tomorrow. Also, I'll try to be on time. 7:30. I will try to come and join you, so you can just keep this time 7:30 Indian Standard Time. I'm coming online, and you can join me regularly for this technical talks and this all about we discuss about Python, the database integration, the SQLite database, MySQL, Tkinter application. Usually now we are focusing, but it is not that we will be doing this stuff only. We will be also going to pandas, numpy, other libraries of data analytics areas also will be focusing. And not only Python, even we work on the web programming using PHP and MySQL database. That is what was my favorite. Now anyway I am working more on the Python area, so you can always ask me questions about the web programming and any other areas if of your interest. And it is the mostly the technical discussions what we follow, so your questions will help us in for good discussion. So many time you feel free to ask your doubts, questions on these areas. So I'll try my best to answer these questions here or below the tutorials, whatever we are posting. You can just post your questions there. And it is that Tkinter we are focusing now. So some applications we have already developed, we have posted already, so you can just check them. And today we have added one, include the blog and the blog post, including the video tutorial also. So both you can watch it and expand it. So that's on about a quiz application. So you can just expand it. This is actually a basic application, so you can further expand it. Here while developing the application we used Json as our data storage. Json string, you can understand very well that Json string is a data exchange format between the applications that is used. So same format you use. It's not necessary that you should stick to Json only. You can use SQLite, MySQL, or anything, any other database you can use it. It is just storing your questions and options. Four options usually we give to the users to answer, and which is the correct answer. So you store it in XML, CSV, JSON, MySQL, SQLite, anywhere you can pick up. So once you integrate the database, you get a lot of option. Say difficulty level you can set, areas you can set, Tkinter or basic Python or pandas, numpy, whatever areas the questions will be, you can integrate that also. So that is the main reason why we have this is just use it as a basic application. So subsequently you can check it as a sample. Only 5 questions are placed on the JSON file. So these 5 questions you can, one after the other will come. So at the end it will tell you how many questions are right. This is just sample only. The JSON file you can extend it also. Instead of 5, put around 20 questions, give it to the users. And it is better you use it as a foundation or a basic model, then you add more features to it. That is what the intention was. So it was given that way, and you can use that, extend it. Both the vlog and the video tutorial with the demo and how to download the code, everything is given. Today we have uploaded 2 more reels, shorts we have also added. So tomorrow one will be coming up. So the main long form video is already uploaded. You can just look it, and in the description of this also we have given that link where you will get the tutorial, and you can, using the same, you can watch the video also. And if you have any questions or ideas, look that this quiz application is a very basic one for your starting. This is just the step 1. So adding more features, say you want to pick up a random question, so that time you have to monitor keep in a record that what questions you have already asked, so you need not ask for second time. So these are all there are endless, means number of features you can add to it. So let me just take you to the post itself. Okay, I will just show you. This is under Tkinter projects actually. Tkinter, let me just come here. I'll show you the screen now. You can watch the, you can download, copy the source code also. Let me go to projects. So you can, the entire source code and with a sample JSON file also. Quiz application JSON data. So you can use that. Let me just open this. I will show you the link also. If you watch the complete video, you will get the idea also that that is the added today. So I'm just opening the quiz application. And meanwhile, if you have any questions or anything, you can ask me, or in the below the tutorial you can ask the question. Please hit the like button, subscribe also to our channel. Subscribers are very less, and tell your friends also to join us for this technical discussion. We are mostly in the live session, we are discussing technical issues and what are the tutorials we have added recently and all this, and what is going to come up also. That what. Namaste Pratik. Yeah, namaste. So that's what I will continue. I'll show you the what is we have added today. Still it is not, it is loading. So yesterday's discussion was quite useful. I hope you have all, I think some net issue has come up. I think some issues or buffering issues have come up. You may see a break in that. I am not doing anything, just waiting to things to settle again. Meanwhile, let me open the application part. You may see a buffering also, or just I will change the streaming once. Okay, I will back again hopefully. Yeah, so things are solved, I think. So you just think on the, okay, I'm back again hopefully. Little disturbance from my end. Okay friends, so this is the quiz. Let me see whether I am able to open the quiz application or not. Where it is, yeah. I will just take you there. Just a minute. Yeah, hopefully you can see. Yeah, yes, this is the URL. This URL or the link is there in the description. Use that. Come to this quiz application. This will be the screen. You can go to next and all. There is the video link also. You can watch this tutorial, the demo. And this is the sample JSON data, where how the structure of this data is. You can see the option and the correct answer is there. These two are mapped, and these 4 options goes to the radio button. So radio button has an option. So one of the option you will be selecting. What are the libraries we are using? These both are Tkinter only, and here we are using, because the data is in JSON format, so we are calling a JSON. If you are using XML or SQLite, then accordingly you have to import those libraries. This is the main application window. I hope you are very basic, and these functions are there. Note that these options are created dynamically by using 4 radio button. Means one group of radio button, because all are carry there is a radio button. So one of the 4 you can select. So that is what is being used. So you can one after the question, if the select, because the radio button is a string variable is connected to that. So selected answer, then that is why we are using get here to read what the user has selected. If that is equal to the answer given in this. Here it is in the Json file. You can see here answer. What is the correct answer? That means the correct answer. If it is matches to that, then here it is matches, then the score is increased by 1. That is the very simple one, nothing great in that. You can just copy the entire code from here and try it. This is not a very big code. So this is just a basic application. I am not saying it will fulfill every requirement. You can add the level of difficulties, beginners, expert, all those things, level of difficulties you can add, extend the questions. Now it is in one sequence only, it is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 questions. So you can increase it. Fine, you can increase it to more questions also. And that way you will able to do it. And some disturbance again. Okay, that way you will able to more features you can add it and expand the Json file also. So Json is a data exchange format. So it think you can also keep it in a CSV file also. CSV means comma separated value file, or a Excel also, SQLite, MySQL, any database you can take it. Some disturbances, just a minute, fine. So that way you can continue this particular script, you can expand it further. So tomorrow most likely I am working. If I'll most likely evening I will be joining you all online, and we'll be discussing about a interactive form. Say you want to take admission, note that this is a very basic one. So for your understanding only, you need to fill up some forms. Say your name, then your qualification, then your exam. So these are to be in 3 steps. So interactive forms are like, it's not a single form. So in a Tkinter application, different forms you will be inputs fields you will be using to input your data. So first step, say your basic information, name, phone number, email. Then next step you may go about what is your educational qualification and all. Third step you will may go about what are the languages, programming language you know and all. This is a very simple. Then submit it. Everything will be displayed what you are submitted. This is a very basic form. So that probably tomorrow we'll see if I can complete that one. I will post it again for tomorrow's discussion. Meanwhile, if you have any more questions, you can ask me. Let me know things are simple or very complex, or you feel I are discussing more advanced features, you should focus more on the basic things. Fine, we'll do that. We'll focus on the basic Tkinter. Probably I assume that you all are well aware of the basics of the Python and Tkinter. So I am just discussing on the applications, whatever we are developing and using that. So let me know if you also wants to learn more about the basics. So we'll fix some time. We'll be discussing a button. We'll start from the button. What's a window and all. We'll do that. So 15 minutes. I usually this much time only will spend 10 to 15 minutes every day. 7:30. I'll be coming online for you to interact. So you can ask me questions. Please hit the like button. So that will encouragement for all of us, and I'll request you please subscribe also to our channel and hit the bell icon, so you will be notified every time we post the tutorials and all. We are frequently almost one in every day or two in 2 days we are posting one tutorial. We are writing our blog post in detail. We encourage you to download those our post and try it, modify it, improve it further. That way you will learn better. So question it means why it is like this, why not like that. So that questions will give a learning, it will encourage you to learn more. So that will help you. That's what our intention is. So I encourage you to download our scripts, whatever tutorials we are uploading. I encourage you to check those, download ID. If you are facing any issues, ideas or suggestion or questions or any improvement plans you have, put it in the comment section here or in below the tutorials. I am responding to all the questions, so you can see those questions how they are. Anything more? If nothing more is there, we'll stop the today's session. Again tomorrow we'll join, and I will see if I can complete that interactive form tomorrow. And friends, please ask your friends also to join. Yes, possible, definitely. That is how the reports are generated. It is not that one table all records are taken. No, because the report can be anything. Say for that the better example is a sales data. So which customer has purchased one, which date he has. You will have a customer table, customer address is there, customer this, and you have a today's sale date wise. Say today's you want to prepare a which customer has purchased how much today. Now in that case your customer details will be available in the customer table. So you will be connecting all the three tables and then creating the report. Okay, fine. One single database, three different table, one serial number, table 2, serial number, phone number, table 3, address, then single report create. Okay, fine. That's simple. Usually your sales report is created based on that. Say you are selling all over India. Okay, fine. In a customer table, only customer detail which state they have will be there. In the sales table, the customer ID, the product ID, and the amount, how much, what is the total number of the units sold against each product, it will be there. Now you want a report. Who has purchased, and with all detail, which customer, how much he has purchased, with customer address and all. That time what will happen, you will connect to the customer table. So first you will see what are the products sold today. Today what is the product. Pick up the product ID, give the product, from that table bring the product description. Customer, get the customer ID who has purchased that product, get all the customer details, put it in that row, and then print the price. So you are connecting to three tables here. Product today's sales report, product table, and the customer table. Three tables combinedly you are generating a report. That's all. That way it works. That way it works, and you can, that is how in real life situation, that is how things works. Because you will not everything, and you need not keep it in one table. Say a customer is buying frequently from you, the customer, against the customer ID only you should go to the sales table. Not that his phone number, his address also you should store there. No, that is a waste, because that will be repeated. It's not required. You have a exclusively customer table, exclusively what's the product, customer ID, because you need who is the customer purchase this, product ID, quantity, total price. Price will be coming from the unit price will be coming from the product table. Quantity is there, what today sells, based on that you will write it, and total price will be coming. So you will get a report on that. That's how in the real situation things works. I hope it's clear. One tutorial is there on that. Let me just, if I can give you a link on that, but it is in PHP, not in Python. Let me just check it off if I can get that one. Product. Wait a minute. I'm just trying to open this one. Yeah, I got it. That's why I love Google. Let me just remove the lot of advertisements are coming. Okay. I'm giving you a URL here. Just try that. I have just given you a link. Click that link. Here it is. you can see there are 3 tables, exactly what I was telling you. There are 3 tables here, customer, product and sales. Fine. You read this exercise on left join, list a quantity on each product, list the quantity and totals against each product. You can just work out all this. There is a video tutorial also, link is here. List of products sold, list of quantity against each product, list of quantity. Here all the query samples are there. This is actually a example of left join. Let me just come here. Yeah. So this is the example of left join. You can study that one, but this script is, there is no script. It explains the query part only. It can be connected. Do it in SQLite, MySQL or anything else. Okay, friends, I think that must talk technical. We'll call it as technical talk. I think this much is enough for today. Study that. This is a SQL actually. It's not about a language. It is SQL, how you combine the multiple tables and then work on it. Read on. Okay, friends, we'll close the session today. Just go on exploring all the questions, tutorials and all. Adds, creates whatever doubts, questions, anything you have in your mind, keep it ready or post it here. I will try to answer it here or in the below the tutorials. You can ask me the questions. Please hit the like button and subscribe also to our channel to get all the notifications. Press the bell icon so you'll get all notification whenever we are adding tutorial. We are frequently adding it also. Today also we have added, and in the evening join us in 7:30 Indian Standard Time the sessions. Tell your friends also to join so we can have a good interaction. And also at the side there is a newsletter also. I request you to subscribe to that newsletter so you will get all the new additions, new tutorials, whatever is being added. You will get the links there. So weekly at least we try to send it out. Okay, today is not, then Monday or Tuesday we'll be sending the links out. You can that will help you to keep track of all the development. That's all, friends. If you don't have any more questions, we'll close the session for now. Please share this with your friends and invite them also to come at 7:30 and subscribe to our channel. सवाल आपका क्वेश्चंस पूछते रहिए. अगर कुछ क्वेश्चंस आता है, ज्वाइन दिस, ये टेक्निकल डिस्कशन में रेगुलरली ज्वाइन करिए 7:30 को. ठीक है, ओके. सी क्वेरी रिमेन सेम. आप किस लैंग्वेज से ओके, मैं SQLite को ट्रांसफर कर सकता हूँ. आप पढ़िए उसको पूरा. Report, it will come under report generation using language. कुछ भी आप लिख सकते हैं, पाइथन में कर सकते हैं, PHP में कर सकते हैं, कुछ भी. वो ट्यूटोरियल देखिए, वो डेटाबेस इंटरेक्शंस कैसे रहता है, कैसे टेबल्स को ज्वाइन करते हैं, लेफ्ट जॉइन. क्वेरी तो सेम है, आप पाइथन में यूज करिए या PHP में करिए या जावास्क्रिप्ट में करिए, सॉरी जावा में करिए, क्वेरी तो सेम है. ठीक है, मैं वो देखता हूँ. इट विल बी इंटरेस्टिंग वन ऑल्सो. Interlinking 3 tables, creating reports. The report should have, it should take the customer name, then customer details from one table, product detail from another table and sales report in that. Fine. Okay friends, कल उम्मीद है कल फिर आप ज्वाइन करेंगे टेक्निकल डिस्कशंस में. हम लोग रेगुलरली ये सब बारे में, आप छोटा छोटा एप्लीकेशंस भी डेवलप कर सकते हैं. उम्मीद है ये सब आपको हेल्प करेगा फॉर द areas where you are working. We are just giving you a good foundation. So आप इसका ऊपर से आप build कर सकते हैं अपना programming skill. अगर कुछ और क्वेश्चन नहीं है तो आज ख़त्म करते हैं. आधा घंटा हो गया ऑलमोस्ट, और 4 मिनट में आधा घंटा हो जाएगा. ठीक है फ्रेंड्स, कल मिलेंगे फिर. उम्मीद है आपको ये सेशन अच्छा लगा होगा. आपका दोस्त लोगों को बोलिए ज्वाइन करने के लिए. सब्सक्राइब करिए, लाइक थोड़ा बढ़ाइए, लाइक बहुत कम आ रहा है. थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग.